Ebusianfo aha Ghana 7 TV GH mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusianfo mamienu ewo Ghana ha dodo na amuye oba amuye ma look forward or look up to them. Baku ye mami Lordina Mahama omampeni His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ire. Second one, the first female vice president of this republic. I say, on my way, first, I say, on my penny, I bed ye mi chiaba, sanity. Now, nano. One of the reasons Uncle for Apple Mass Empane say, society, consciously, make effort say, my away society muno, their self-wealth. Confidence and others as I say nkrofo bi ediom enima ombeye good examples maamo enti deliberately no the policies ni hyehyeye bia ebe peja sa confidence the girl child mu enti it is believed say yetimi hwe and I say yetimi votima beye female vice president she would champion the needs of ma are more or my name. The same for the wife of the president. Say, oh, wife of the president, yeah, onuni nikunu neda, nikunu neda pabakusu. And ebia more fear. Obetmia kasachire president say, ebia the girls of this nation needs this. So yeah, we mamu. Na say ma more my name no. Omu yan we say we mamu. Na Ghana for be brave. As say there, the way nyama ekono. They are disappointed in these two women. Now, at the end, am I disappointed? Am I disappointed because Nema Bebre course or my woman. Now, Ghana for expertise say these two women are mudi ni a banner of my women. They would have come out to even make a statement. But over time, no, we don't hear, Ghanaians don't hear anything from them. Some of the occasions no cry no omutimi suma mu pie be ka kire ye wo TV so say omanti asema esi Ghana obia etie no omude omusi omunti na enu na Ghana for say there be ere say sad here then we are very much disappointed this kind of package ya to Ghana for to abondi because we had to go and queue in lines to vote for NDC. And John Mahama is Excellency Nimpa say one of the reasons he won because of a female vice president or a running mate. Ghana for now per se is how a female running mate would be and deliver. Now female running mate abano nkola bi eko asori amko wuye female vice president anka hunshi. Now say ya Elwak Stadium 6 women 6 ladies they died through no fault of theirs. Vice President again has not said anything yet. So is that the way, the kind of example I can say almost seti Emma ma more my way? I don't think so. Let's go and listen to what the journalist has to say about Asima Amika Wansem Chiro. Don't go anywhere. I Ghana 7 TV GH. I'll see you in the next one.
What is all this? What makes the citizens of Ghana vote to the Mawo? Nyasaben na wadie we mu bra. Nyasaben. Now de bia wo nu kunu ba o ma ne hye. De bia wo nu kunu ba o ma ne hye. Wo de de nkwa na wo pe. Now you batam bone. Sa so na vice president so you batam bone. Wo mu nyina future bia no mo se ye meto o mo so aba ne ye fo mo me president bia. Say vice president mati rumors kwa around say obeba ba president edi. What kind of a lady does shit things like this? Bra, can I mean tie oba ben and the
me kwa de me nwanwa because now me dey tie na me busa mo sa question ya me ma dedicated topic ama mo say ja mo na mo wo yen ma crying e wo mumu abosome nkron ma me imponu se ukra kra ebawu a na se woni ne wasam kra ya ma me sha se free a ye ti o man mu enkwala dunsia ewu yante she emfri emu bia no yante she emfri emu bia no yeti emu helicopter ekwohwe ase yehu ye enka ema moye abatan anka mukunum ana wukun le di party bia nim no enka mehu ye enka abakọ mo na ase enyo mokwa kosu yante she gender minister yante she vice president yante she esu ayefre no su kra maami ansu de atoso miensa na nua ewak emaya akrom awofo se omukọ akọpe kakra omubedi ama ebia so omawofo so enu nso ga teranche ma kokosi ye besi ne yenya vice president mane ma abonti na de Dr. Mahmoud Baomi akra eba abonti be kasa ya ansa na John Mahama eba abonti aba be kasa inti se ye hwesa enyoma we se ya ene na ma mi bisa me ho se inti ma me na ka so oyo obatampa eninti oyo vice president ama ema ewo ma mu no omonfo asombo no sese no ewe hemfa ene na mi bisa numre
me de bi nua ba ma yiwani na omunye ma omude ye fra omu bedi wa because me de me to be frank me ade ketua bi ye chekra na me yam hyehyem na me spirit nyina ayira etina me to say omotumi atena omanimu ahye obata na ma me no kura na no ye me nwama especially first lady na wukutama etina me di kan ka say eye krono no mbebody ko omu fie because anya krono a aso obatan ade kura ketua bi krampo na wo yam hyehyem wo pe baabi na wo pressure a shoot kosro na watumi atena wa hye amanfo ma wodi ade kwato pad de wodi animu koye na nipa awuo de untumi ndi animu enkonkonko ye bibi no ansa wusuo ene nsamfon ene ekoso ho ena wo hwe ena wukun ene ne party no mu jimi ena maami panimu to na hwe. How can you call yourself as a mother? How can you call yourself as a mother to watch somebody's children just waste like that? To watch somebody child go through what this 6 children or 16 children no ekomu busumi bi echon na mu nyina mo hwe na mo frem mu se mo ye nam se sabita frache Ghana ebimu adwene mu omlente no all the time no mo fa sa akonya weso emo mu su mo fa akonya weso ema Ghana for kwat team. Do you think God is not watching you? Do you think say onyame onhwemo onyame hwe ye nyina na me say ye wo instant justice wo and ye wo long term justice onyame ma wo long term justice or patch se sisa na instant justice no eswa ketia wo ho ntin Ghana for bra ma me ne de omunya abatan me ada yadi media no kokko share Frastar House pepepe na government staffers no panam hu said there be Ghana yadum ena mpa so Mahama baye no hene waye ama wasili obia no ena obia kana no atum no di komane mu ena wo jimi ntime de bra be de manu asi ma misbi mu so nto aso.
Okay, me dase, mame. Kumase Queen.
Yo, ga michia woni wati efu, michia do. Suni na michia obia. Yo, mini abema. Wasem na obisa e udi bisa. Udi bisa pa because ya sama e wo say ye dwen bra, mi hu ni say Ghana. I don't know. God mi hu said ye mi friend describe o mine say see ya say hweminsem moja o mine ye wo mo because adichi ade se ni na bra emoja nko a na ga me to me bu ase na mama statistics na me ye hu adwuma ntimi nya me send de ayede ama na wa hwe right down from 10 months 11 months o mo ba ye enipa me nua ba ma o ma hwe through accident through a friend is a plane crashing, through even obeying the girl cry, said the anyama air cost on the bra air time. But in a me person me can say Ghana any gender minister, any vice president. Miss Anna Mihuni. Because your vice president our your bar or bansudi or wire at the badaye or why am she say be ubi ba. Nanya wa bakra, wo feel adiane say, e betimi aye wo ba. Enti wodi ntempa na nka wo ba abonten. Menka se to mampo America beka ne ensa sa wo yeden woka. But at least office betimi issue statement be say oh, yeah sorry mo from me your mawi. Accident dey say ye bra wo twen ya bo so me na ma me nkasa ya. Hwe se kwasi prat be you ya kasa ma ma mi kwotena adum TV. Asem o kan say onu na wonim. Obi anso anyi o masotire na mom se ye na de a enkobete TikTok asisi ya ma me ne de anko betimi ahwehwe IP address akwa akwache won na mom ni pa wu ni de bogu phone call ani wu ye 16 ni de o ma ante ma me amfa badaye ametwohwe nkofo bo na chi ansa won ni gender minister no so called gender minister no ana se shadow one no eba abonten ebe issue communicate say bia say ni which is wrong. Because a man na shimpo emfa wo mo ho a oba nso oba wotete a whole nation oba ye de ade nyame nim ye nti ode ema anaso ode abode etisa eto yeyem because onim se ye ne betimi akra de so onim se mema betimi akram nim yi a kode be mema bra because emema ya kokudufo but ye nyame bia Mary Magdalene ma no mu yakukudufo mema adwane no kono mutimi yede ekọ nyankopɔtɔ mu ne so dia na nyame nim se ma wa kokuduro hwe ma kokudu yede kwada mpena achi hwe ma kokuduro enti se mami enti mi anya abadaye ama sa abogu fon kola 16 children ni wanya abadaye ma ewa ke nkola yi a na abadaye be mi no mami no wo mami ni mi huni so ye be ma bra onyo ba tan edin oba tan no on kafo safo ne hu bi ana bia ne vice president na odi no minim se bia odi for fun no sense odi di ache bia la bia lo ya se ayi anwum bi obi boy ya se omada se wada obi nim wodwen ho a onti ase se adwuma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebe ye no mami bra onye mu one quarter because ono ne dia ne so yare ye san shika gitwi die ye den e wo ne ho ade ne tina private jet mu e ko London ko say wo man ni sika ne ye san kukuru ni san de ne tina mu bi luxurious one san ba ye enti mami we ba ba di S Gracia wo bra wanya hia na Ghana fo ene ko di ni professor ne chọ ne literature na nka ye o chọ poems a me fo say ka ba bo Ghana no chọ books an ka ba bo ye because ke bibi beka nya nimbia because ye nya bibia mfi maame ni mu maame no ntimi mento obi a na mom ye nya maame ni sana o sa na ano fane fom fane ho ahwan no na maame ni sa wo ka ma wo mo sa ni hu bi oba pani ti sa wo no wonder so dress say yoyo o dress say fikasi mo baawa na go gender minister ya appoint o ko akwaji appointment letter se den kra no we late when ye gender minister bra obetimi adi oman nanim we would the gender minister enye ye government instrument kan sa ndc for man na ya mo position dey no krani nyame anim ni omo ye nwura ball aso ade bi keke enfa so bia anya dey eni omo so ye hwe adwuma oti kwafisa jaba be ye adwuma ma mrs da pam ye a enya ho adwuma na maba wa ye yo omo dia ne se ye be di keke ye be hwe sika ne keke na kese omo de omo be wia Ghana fomfram na omo kọ eno na omo hwehwe ena de no se Ghana na me se da ba koye woto no se wo woto ni ama obi ena na anwen samo kan se wo first lady a ko betu ni konfa kasa papa se bia wa ye obi boni a sira boni fache because ade chimbia won samu moja ade chimbia papa yin samu moja en samu moja me ha mani nka fiti the one ya dey papa be si su moja sa na papa yi spirit yo se ne alternate sa be pemana me ne wo kasa ye 11th month enti mahama empedo do say na moja no be kwaso agye And I said, Pedro was son, I didn't conform my sacrifice. I'm a conform my quiet day. Ghana for you who are toying. Now, what your woman was it Pempia warm? I cannot be woman. My woman, your mom will be. Conform man, Mudia sacrifice. And now, ye be so. Nana J. Wine. Ajimai, Nana Ajimai, you said, Vice President. Grandma, now who are here? Grandma, who are you got space yana? Ah, Semusia, Grandma, Yente Wonka. Grandma Mekasa. Nemo say Grandma Tamudia. And while Grandma Mary have my IP address, Ababa Bechemi. As I try me crying Ascensia, me boy Grandma. The Amoja of mine, the craning your many baby, come on, your money tia question. Yet they're running your coupon this, Munko Ghana, Marawai. Now, no Ghana and found you. Now for your man moon for the year bread. Ya brani moja shiegu bebrebe emu accident amon fam kola na ho kura na mom se politician wudi abra ono de eya asem kese na asi eya tragedy eya chese musio ebensi da awo man Ghana mu na mom timemu ni di owudi a oya akokọ ye kokunare fala enfo bia ho and for politician, and Colansia way say, a dependent was saying, and son, or funny saying, Grandma, nay, one, General Mosquito, Echo, Bogua. Bogua, no pada party talkers, shower, and son, or more. She might see ya away, opinion near my way, bay. Me copy be a video, and then me bay a den and now. Ya Baba, some of mine Ghana. Na afedi ye kwa sacrifice ya ho a enka me enkonya adwuma ni mpo na nka ye ngrade ya bibese se ye nye pass out no na bra ka ye wumpa ni ye hu se you will be called as a heroist where the crack where the crowd enti say my way ye be si awako ye be yo mu statue de asi ho no mo ana asesen. Because I stampede way see ye bra, and you can't say a day. Esi. To me, dear, can you can't say a day? Esi. And Kebeti me a chichem. Say nipa 50 mra, and nipa 100 mra. Sana say a bosum pa. Mubeti me because I'm calling me in some way now call me. Minim say a be called Navy. A be called of any sign. Air Force. A be called Armed Forces. So what you say? Enti menyini someone na akofa akwa wo se ye be campion mu ni na bom ana se mu je omo ba wo se mu be hwe omo shape no mayi mu dia firi mu ana ena mo wota na mo si wo ewo akekọ no ekum kola na sa asenko for mother to be a ne ba from kindergarten bepem se wo wi fan say second cycle a okopa adwuma no bra se ye be fa kola no ye mfa no akowu kwase ewu kekede ne nkwa kotwa so ama John Mahama ni mumaje ama John Mahama life be expand yenye ne sa na Ghana for na nkasa na bra ya so ye den because also be mpan commission na o shares atama free radio enye ne de na akomapa de na won free radio no o se ye makwa ama John Mahama san betina so dia eni me be sisi wo kro ni mu no ampani ampanso eni ma esi ne ehu a John Mahama so akosi sorry that time bra me ka send your platform yi so Sam found when sorry that time na John Mahama akosi sending some wo moja wo ye ne dien oh me na e moja na be koso ara su afra rade and am pass ade prekoni koso aye dan esu ema atorencham na eto o man Ghana enti ota na o masini yesere wom ebe ya Sharifatu ene Sharaf wo ho onfo mu nkoba afore se di Abraham di Isaac koba afore bibi atotwa ye onfo mienu nkoba afore na bibi atonya dai entwa na Ghana for ye wonya dai ento ye me pass for grade professor so Ghana your man bi abra ye di niam di agro ena ye protect ma gap ye protect ma se Ghana for empany for politicians to protect a ma omujise omo na omonyi wom ewu wom a ka Professor Jampo kra de se wo ba wo baba na odi wachi pa na odi ni sie because o ye rapist Professor Jampo ye obi a Of Fancolano to some colano is a nyansa woman in Munsino. Or Dada Colai. Someone my many one now, me more graduate, a colani so strong per se. Name Rebecca Sawako University, why I didn't see. Lord, and walk up a pay. Ye nemo colado do up a pay, Eddie Ace higher than higher one. Ye nemo yellow upon SCS upon what the man colano. Na ye timiat nase. Ama ya yenchi shomu et seye. Ni ye jai papa ya sama na kota the same university se onko kwa chiradi. Ni senti ya papa na by now no. Ka wasa Professor Champo ye yina di. Baby ya watena unqualified se okwa ye juma wa ho. Because Professor Champo ye ni mugwasini. Bra muso ya na nkofo kasa na mo de mo toto. Outside world. Misro. E ho na asem we see Professor Champo no se nka wo prison. Enko wo prison. Because innocent children and our street was so my life. As Professor Jampo and when your nurse, Kasa, quack or 2 blows, quack or 2 blows, because of who send this yaba, not buying naba. What buying naba my fault? A feeling kawana wa hono. And yes, I will call Ama OSBC glass, Akota Kasha, any support, any sobe gariwo. Because when Narawa, what did I so to woof in them? And Obian himself, says for great now, what's it not the Guabontin so? Well, yes, so cry, would dear, wouldn't she? Killing Chia for Libya. And the man is where Jiminti, Omujaja Mohuma, and my own mother, now wouldn't she? Now, some Professor Jampos and Kawana me Barbada, and Uncle Killing Chia. Midway, I'm a kid and I have the other quiet, I deny. Say, I'm a Sabra Cradianissa. Can I be a court? Because who made him go free that was champagne be matesawo etimi koye professor when so was here there professor who professor do little professor she ni mu e dan professor Jampo question in political science no e dan pan wetimi a kire nkola ni bi etimi abaye politics akase ababaye te se wono da omo baye onu ko bedi nko sabi omo ni nko fama bedi da on be sanko fama ma. Because Professor Jampo nyanse bia ni chi sabi ode ne be ma to ne kwan e na ode ne nam school okwa adwuma mu so shipping board ho no shipping authority was the same thing na woye wo ho enkofo yiri na mabra ya ba betu aba na Professor Jampo ni obi yiri akoda na MPP fo empese o megu Professor Jampo ani mu asinti o mu kata so eseyira nkasa senko be fa MPP ni be yiri a anko be hu enko be hu pa adana wa ni guase nya mo de mo yenu makota bro chire ana mo sankrofo mama na menu so Professor Jampo sankrofo sa no bra wudi ni ba ne ya uko fa ne ba se de obabu bomu a chire wo no o ka be hu sa bedi ya kwase ampani be ma bi sa no obeka sa bedi ya nto be twen krantani na wo obi so na menim se wo ma na wa wo mo Bible say ya janu ma ye mbone na ye no wanchi ma no eni ebeti asoka wo mama no ebaba beti asoka because all the for innocent children into obesu de baye wo mape obi be fa wo ba ma ye wo ya na wo de bia wo fu se wo tumi ntu de baba pepe wo na be hu kwase asem a ye be ka kire wo kwa akotene wo nsa onye woni wu anya wo fere obi ni onyafo papa ni mpa wo ne kokonto kan o ye sofo mata di sofo na wo kwa akotene wo nsa awo ne so esan se wo nkwa wo subantantan ni bi na na ana se ndisi no kodwanya na wo wagin efifie na wo nyansa anya dai eni ho bio Ghana fo ye tu mufuo ana mo se mo de mo nya dai mo ntie mo pese mo kofa baby o mo kofa kina baby o de na ye dai aba kina baby o no aba na oba ye kin kon wo mo so no kina baby o no aba no wo slota mo mama ni na kina baby o aba o wi mo mama no wo san so kuo mu de o ma ye the sacrifice edan na mahama wo gibiem efi Ghana fo nchen awo ma Ghana fo ye koda ye na ye hunto yen adichim bia niama kase ene si wo manim wo ye obi atwenade ekuni girlfriend obi atwetwa ne girlfriend obi de biara mo ntisempa ni fo yi papa ya ni shu mu kankan ye niama bi mo hu se bia o persist insecurity no ano brase na mom bra esa nyoma ko yenti no de bia no so mo ko hia mu ko o mo hwan sik ayi omo security ho briefing no a na chese omo mpai bo ne se emoje nhiem no mu ntimi appease omo gods enye sa ene se mo de appease mo gods de a ye ka kire awurade se omo mo so mo mama no the same thing ye dey ento wom mo mama no omo the same thing ye dey ento mo mama no na mo mama no nso no the same thing ye dey ento wom na mo hu se do na mo de magana fo anom no eye tramo a ye so ye be ma mo tramo a ye dey ano me da ase.
Yo, me that's a palm.
The sad part about it is a wolf when you know, Ubaba, woman, Umbaba, young Quasiafo, they cannot even manage it. Share Rollinson Bay. Look at them. Zenato war, your friend is saying, a member of parliament. When we saw Tiawara Biasiana on Tiawara say, ne money nina. Obema yo kwa worry, poor white trash, no kwa worry. So na so mo ye ade omo nwene nko omachi endwene omo ma ho omo madache ho na wo de bia wo nya ntwinsanso no but wo ba are you thinking about them? Farida wa wo bema be no ne wo ye. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? So wo ba ntumi ankora ne ho na ya nware no e wo fie na wakwanyem na magina mo de na hyedem wawo na mato no. But God is watching, like I always say. Vice President onya Vice President onya badaye enka asem say sia you are the first person at oba and obeba be press conference obeba be statement na do wo ne de na mutumi hu bibia na manu chokrodo esu we na abana ese mu begina honum na mu ne oman ne bekasa no gisa yen ene yen beka nkyere mu se Vice President ye bra na beka bibi ansa na wahunu nyansa wo so ya na waye wo mok se wo kwa afuo mu wo sorry a no nkasa ntwitwie ene nsamfo ena wo keka otufu ani semesre eya sempa na meka no what oche fi kesima ba wa de oche na ne say ote your friend is say Jubilee House Vice President ni ho na Ghana for ye kachire mu na mwentie ye kachire mu na ka mutie yasem na mukoto ma His Excellency Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia anka bo be hunu Vice President bo be hu First Lady papa bi bo be hu adwuma oye owo opposition impo still hwe adwuma oye owo opposition impo hwe adwuma Samira Bawumia eye mose mompe momamani enna honum ye kachira mo say NDC has nothing to offer. They are coming to create loot and share. And exactly that's what they are doing. Chesia or chibi or NDC will be a create or mu looty. Oh, they are looting. Gabunim say my brother-in-law. And then in answer no fi Ghana buy. Or say just the corruption in Ghana sistiano. Just a would you would tibe bodine. Would tibe bodine. And he's a medical doctor. Oh, also would you tip body the corruption? Adenti nese banisa. Jobia dream on mine home. Sassam way ya SCA. Anka, why and obet now no more say, as some went to young girls. Ye Vice President or bar or your bar. Now, so wouldn't your Vice President in Pua? Can't you even say something? Yampo ye TH crampo na ye bibia ye ni position mono ye dia bobo. And some ya excuse me, ye dream ho hanging. na mo amu wa be mu mudia ni se mu hwie sika mudia ni se mu hwie sika na mu hwie sa na sika no mpacho meba na sika no mu hwie a ade na mo de ye ene se mo anka sa mutu no nya yare ahye ho a mu hunu mo ho anu no say ye no kra ene basintele you know enti mu dia mu nkwaso a na mu ndiga na abro mu nkwaso a na mu ntwi say nyankopon bi